Cranesbill, commonly known as hardy geranium, is a perennial herb from the geranium genus, not to be confused with the flashy pelargonium flowers often mistaken for geraniums. For centuries, Cranesbill has been used in traditional medicine systems across Europe, North America, and Asia. Rich in tannins, flavonoids, and polyphenols, Cranesbill offers a surprising range of health benefits. Here, we explore 10 of its most notable effects. Number 1. Stops bleeding. Cranesbill's most recognized traditional use is as a powerful astringent. Its high tannin content allows it to constrict tissues and blood vessels, which helps to stop both internal and external bleeding. Native American and European herbalists often used powdered Cranesbill root to stop nosebleeds, treat heavy menstrual flow, and reduce gastrointestinal bleeding. Topically, it can be applied as a poultice or wash to stop bleeding from minor cuts and abrasions. Number 2. Soothes diarrhea. The same astringent properties that stop bleeding also tighten inflamed intestinal linings, making Cranesbill effective in treating diarrhea and other gastrointestinal upsets. Tannins in the plant work to dry up excess fluid in the intestines and reduce inflammation in the gut lining. In folk medicine, decoctions of Cranesbill root were often given to both children and adults suffering from diarrhea or dysentery. Number 3. Fights inflammation. Cranesbill is known for its strong anti-inflammatory action. It contains compounds like geranium, flavonoids, and gallic acid, all of which help reduce swelling and irritation in the body. This makes it useful for treating inflamed skin, sore throats, joint pain, and even respiratory conditions like bronchitis. Gargles made from the infusion were traditionally used to relieve inflamed gums, while compresses were applied to swollen joints. Number 4. Kills germs. Its antimicrobial effects are well documented in herbal medicine. Cranesbill contains phenolic compounds that inhibit the growth of bacteria, fungi, and some viruses. Traditional use included cleaning wounds with Cranesbill-infused water to prevent infection, as well as using it internally to fight infections of the digestive or urinary tracts. Modern herbalists may use it alongside other antimicrobial herbs to support the immune system. Number 5. Protects cells. Cranesbill is a natural antioxidant powerhouse. Compounds such as quercetin, camphorol, and ellagic acid help neutralize free radicals and reduce oxidative stress, which contributes to aging and chronic disease. Regular use of antioxidant-rich herbs like Cranesbill may support long-term health by protecting cells from damage, improving immune function, and potentially lowering the risk of degenerative diseases. Number 6. Eases menstrual issues. Cranesbill has a long history of use in women's health. Because of its ability to reduce bleeding and inflammation, it has been used to manage heavy menstrual flow and regulate irregular periods. Herbal practitioners also turn to Cranesbill for relief from menopausal symptoms such as hot flashes and hormonal mood swings. It acts gently on the reproductive system, making it a useful ally for women during transitions. Number 7. Supports oral health. Mouthwashes and gargles made with Cranesbill infusion were traditionally used to soothe sore throats, inflamed gums, and ulcers in the mouth. The antibacterial and astringent properties help tighten tissues and reduce oral inflammation, while also combating microbes that cause bad breath or tooth decay. It's still used by natural practitioners today for similar purposes, often combined with herbs like sage or myrrh. Number 8. Heals skin. Used externally, Cranesbill is a valuable skin remedy. It helps treat burns, cuts, rashes, eczema, and other inflammatory skin conditions. Its astringent and antimicrobial actions make it ideal for reducing redness, drawing out infection, and speeding healing. Crushed fresh leaves can be applied directly, or dried root can be steeped to make compresses or salves. Its mild nature makes it safe even for sensitive skin. Number 9. Improves vein health. Cranesbill helps strengthen blood vessel walls and improve circulation, especially in cases of weak veins. This makes it useful for treating hemorrhoids and varicose veins. By toning the vascular system and reducing swelling, it offers symptomatic relief from pain, heaviness, and inflammation. Sitz baths or topical applications are most effective for these conditions, especially when combined with a lifestyle that supports circulatory health. Number 10. Calms the nerves. Though not a sedative in the conventional sense, Cranesbill offers a gentle calming effect that makes it useful for treating anxiety, stress, and nervous tension. Its grounding properties, combined with its supportive effects on hormonal balance, help regulate emotional swings, especially in PMS and menopause. Herbalists may recommend it in tea blends alongside calming herbs like lemon balm or chamomile for enhanced relaxation. Cranesbill's medicinal uses span multiple traditions and applications, from Native American wound care to European herbal tonics. While modern clinical research on Cranesbill remains limited, the herb's long-standing historical use and impressive phytochemical content suggest meaningful therapeutic potential. Species such as Geranium maculatum, American Cranesbill, and Geranium robertianum, Herb Robert, are most commonly used for medicinal purposes. These can be taken as teas, tinctures, or used externally depending on the condition being treated. Cranesbill extracts are sometimes available in capsule form for standardized dosing, although these are less common than traditional preparations. Despite its many benefits, Cranesbill should be used thoughtfully. Due to its astringent nature, it may cause constipation if overused. It's also not recommended for long-term use without breaks, as excessive tannin intake can affect nutrient absorption. Pregnant or breastfeeding individuals should consult a healthcare provider before use, and those with kidney issues should avoid concentrated internal use due to potential oxalate content. Topical applications are generally considered safe, but a patch test is advised for those with sensitive skin. Always seek guidance from a qualified herbalist or naturopath when considering Cranesbill for ongoing health concerns. Cranesbill is a time-tested herbal remedy that offers a wide range of healing effects. From stopping bleeding and soothing inflammation to protecting cells and calming the nerves, this plant covers a lot of ground. Whether you're sipping it in tea to ease an upset stomach or applying it to a rash, Cranesbill proves itself a quiet yet powerful ally in natural medicine. As with all herbs, its power lies in how it's used, respectfully, knowledgeably, and in balance with your body's needs. If you're looking to expand your herbal toolkit with a plant that's gentle yet effective, Cranesbill is well worth considering. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.